Welcome back YouTube, Texan Carpenter here. My name is Fernando. One thing that I failed to mention on the tutorials was that we need to add this eyebolt as a joint and then add a revolute so it can rotate around. So let's go ahead and do that. So we'll create a S-built joint, and it's going to be this bolt and this joint. This pin, I'm sorry, and we want to revolute. And that looks pretty good. So now we actually move this, everything will move with it. So that'll wrap things up for everything for the whole model here. And if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.